This is a 2008 Buick Lucerne. The transmission was rebuilt in this vehicle. However, when I took it for a test drive, and it's cold here right now, it's like 17 degrees. When I took it for a test drive and turned the heater on, it was only heating up on the driver's side vent, and the passenger side wasn't getting any heat. So I looked where various people had various different fixes. Some was blowing the flushing out the cooler. What was that? What was that thing? That cooler thing that's inside? Is that what it called? The heater core. They were flushing out the heater core. Some was talking about taking the dash apart and making sure the flow valve was okay, or changing it, the actuator, the vent actuator door, or whatever that is. But I was about to attempt to flush the cooler, which is in the back there, or the heater core, which is in the back there, when we looked over to the side and we saw this right here. You see that? This is completely flat, collapsed. I mean, you cannot even, when you start it up, there's nothing can go through there. So it's a restriction there. See if I can get some light shining on here so you can see it better. And I believe you can see that pretty good, but there it goes. Okay, so that's how it is, and I mean, it's completely flat. Completely flat, as you can see on each side. So now what we're going to do is change this. We know that a large volume of water cannot get through something like that, so I'm going to change this top radiator hose and also change the bottom radiator hose that's down there somewhere. There it is. And see if this solves our heat issue. If it does, then I'll let you know.